Let's talk about layers in WIck. Over here on the left side is where you can add layers. And I have said before, you need to put each thing that you are animating on a different layer so you can work with it individually. If you have a problem with one object in a layer and you have more than one object in a layer, it's going to cause problems for multiples. Okay, so here I have my dog layer, which has my dog. If I hide my other layers, like my background layer, you can just see my dog. Here's my background layer. Just say I want to add a third thing. I add another layer, and I'm going to add something, another asset to the layer. So I'm going to upload the asset, and I'm going to find something besides a dog. Oh, here's this piece of ice cream. So I want to add ice cream. So I upload my image of ice cream, and I want to put it on my layer 3. So I go to layer 3, and I click on it, and I add it to the canvas. And I'm like, wait a minute. I add it to the canvas. It shows there's a green dot there. Why can't I see it? Well, look, your background layer. Think of this as pieces of paper laying on top of each other. The bottom is the bottom piece of paper. So my sound layer is the bottom piece of paper. Then on top of that is my piece of paper with the ice cream. And then on top of that is my background. Well, look, my background covers the whole canvas. So if I go over here and hide the background, look what I'm going to see. My ice cream that got put in. So if you want your ice cream to show up, make sure I'm on layer 3, move my ice cream. If it wants to move, which it's being a pain, I need to move my background below my ice cream layer. So I like to name my layers so I can tell what things are, because as you add more layers, it can get confusing. So I know this is my ice cream layer. So I'm going to drag my background below my ice cream layer, and voila, there's my ice cream. Okay, and so there I have my ice cream layer. Don't know why it's not moving, but just pay attention and make sure your background is always below all your other images.